Have you ever thought on this that you earn enough but still you feel small, insecure, or poor inside?
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.
Why? You don't feel like a rich man. Even when your salary comes, there is a fear, scarcity, and pressure for you to prove yourself. This is not an income mismatch, by the way. It's a pure identity mismatch what you have. Your energy isn't aligned to abundance but for scarcity. Though you earn a decent every month but still you live like a broke. So how can you shift your identity towards money as thinking from scarcity to thinking in abundance? Here's the solution for you. Practice the divine identity shift affirmations every morning to start thinking in abundance. This is how I started thinking in abundance, which will also help you to shift your self-image, and this will automatically shift your money energy into abundance. So go ahead and download your free divine identity sheet by clicking the link below in the description by joining my free WhatsApp group. It's time to align your thinking by aligning your money.